In this video, we're going to show you how to install AhsayOBM on FreeBSD using the targc offline installer, which includes the following. Check that the FreeBSD port for OpenJDK 1.8 is already installed. Download the OBM targc offline installer. Install the AhsayOBM using the targc offline installer. Check if the AhsayOBM scheduler service is running after the installation. And log into AhsayOBM to confirm that the installation is successful. Let's go to my screen and get started. To start with, log in to a FreeBSD machine using the root account via an SSH client. For this demonstration video, we're using a FreeBSD version 12.1. Take note, before proceeding to the installation, double-check if the FreeBSD port for OpenJDK 1.8 is already installed on the machine, as this is a prerequisite for the installation. To do this, enter the command ls-la, then user local. There is a folder called OpenJDK8. Go to the bin by entering the command cd, then user local OpenJDK8, then bin. Enter /java-version. We can now confirm that the FreeBSD port for OpenJDK 1.8 is already installed on the machine. Going back, let us first create a directory for AhsayOBM. Use the cd command to go to user local. Enter this command, then name it as OBM. Let's check if the directory was created by entering the ls-la command. Go to the OBM directory by entering the command cd followed by OBM. Let's proceed to the installation of AhsayOBM. Download the installation file by entering the curl command. On a separate machine with a browser, go to the AhsayOBM download page from your Ahsay CBS Web Management Console. Look for the section of Linux, FreeBSD, and Solaris. Right-click on targc offline installer, then copy the link address. Paste the link address after the curl command. Extract the package component files using the tar command. Run the installation by using the obm-linux.sh script. During the installation process, you will be asked to enter the Java path. Enter user local OpenJDK8. After the installation, check if the OBM scheduler is running. To do this, enter this command. Here, we can confirm that the OBM scheduler is running. To proceed, log in to AhsayOBM. Use the cd command to go to bin. Use the sh command to run configurator. As we already have a user account, we will enter one to log in. Enter the backup server URL, port, and protocol. For proxy, we'll enter N. Then proceed with your login name and password. And that's how you install AhsayOBM on FreeBSD using the targc offline installer.